In this guide, I will show you how to check in online in starair. So if you want to check in online, follow me in this video guide and let's get started. First step you need to do, go to Google and search for starair check in online. Write this exact keyword, guys. After writing this keyword, all you have to do, you will see this page from here. Scroll down, click this one, start web check this, or click official website here. After that, you will be directed to web check portal. From this portal, guys, you have two options here. You have booking codes. Write your unique booking codes you can get through your ticket, and then write your last name. When you click your last name, guys, for example, this is my last name, and then click this one. So guys, this is how you can do. It is easy steps. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like and give share this video for more content, and see you another video soon. Just write your booking codes and write your last name. So friends, any question down below in the comment and I will answer you.